Tired of manually typing all those numbers from your W-2? TurboTax can import it directly from your employer in minutes, saving you time and preventing costly typos. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The fastest way is using the Import feature. When you're in the W-2 section of your tax return, look for the option that says Import your W-2. You'll search for your employer's name. If they work with a payroll service like ADP or Paychex, you can securely log in and your W-2 will populate automatically. If automatic import isn't available, you can use the Take a Photo of Your W-2 feature in the TurboTax mobile app. Just snap a picture, and it will read and enter the data for you. My crucial pro tip: always verify the imported numbers. Even with a perfect import, take 30 seconds to visually compare the data on your physical W-2 with what's entered in TurboTax. Catching a transposed number now prevents delays or notices from the IRS later. It's the easiest way to ensure accuracy and speed up your filing. Have you tried importing your W-2 before, or do you prefer manual entry? Share your experience in the comments. For more tips that make tax season simple, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.